Alright, hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at this single panel off-grid solar setup I just set up for one of my buddies. It's only one panel and I'm just going to walk you through it because I thought I might want to share it.
Donkey's breath.
Alright, so starting off here we have a beautiful calm lake up here. Got our solar panel set up right beside it. I built this bracket a couple weeks ago. It's just a U with some square tube, holds the panel so you can adjust this way, and then from the center point you can also adjust. Right now we're a little bit what would this be, west of due south, just a little bit. We're still in the shade this morning because it's pretty early. So since this is on the lake side and the cabin's a bit back, we have the leads coming out of the solar panel. They jump up into the bottom of this JB here. So we just got two strainer leaves for the bond, then the two power conductors, and there's a fancy one. We're running 10.3 tech all the way up. So they're just spliced in here. We're gonna go see where this tech jumps out on the other side here. Alright, so we're inside the cabin here. That's where our tech cable comes up out of the floor of the cabin. It's just run alongside the ground, tucked under the cabin. It's about 120 feet. But then we come up, we hit this first enclosure here, which is our charge controller. We're finally pulling 1 watt off the panel because it's still in the shade here. Anyways, I'll just show you what's inside here. Pretty simple. Only using 2 conductors of the 3 conductor tech. Go right up right to the charge controller. Then off the charge controller right up to the batteries we have another 2 pieces of number 10 RW90. Bonds carried to the inverter. We carry up. Up there is the battery bank. I shall show you in a second. Coming off of the battery bank, we have 2 runs of number 2 welding cable for the positive and the negative because the inverter likes 2 runs. Got 2 150 amp breakers, so we can easily just push one, push the other. The light will go out here. Push them back in. Turn this inverter back on. Our light should come back here. There we go. Bing bada boo. She's looking pretty clean. Don't you like my touch? On one of them placards. Ugh. Camera skills. Yes, this is a screwdriver. Ta-da! And coming off of our inverter, we just have a cab tire whip with a regular 15R male cord end going over to our 1110 with a light switch. So off this system we got light in here, which is just a keyless lamp holder with an LED bulb up there, as well as in the bedroom of this cabin there's a plug, light, switch, and light, and then in the common area there's a plug for the kitchen, and then an auxiliary lights out there. But I'm not really going to go over that too much because, well, it's just a messy ass Lumex system, which should be kind of not covered in this video. But jumping up here, take a look at our battery bank. There's 6 44 amp hour 12 volt batteries. These are old data safe UPS batteries. They were refurbished. They got them for free, but so 44 amp hours each. And I just got them bust together with a bunch of number 2 whips along the bars. So one run terminates here in this mechanical, the other here, but they're all jumped together, and that is our battery bank. So if you guys got any questions about anything like this, any simple solar setup like this, I'd love to be of help and answer them. But anyways, that's really all there is to see here, and have a good day.
My name is